Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on Additional Settings. In them, click on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, select Theme section, and over here you can scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and save it by tapping on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always access exactly the same settings and customize your theme by tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. If you want to delete one of your keyboards, click on it. Select this bin icon next to key borders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to edit one of your custom ones, click on it. Tap on this pen next to bin icon and make your changes. When you finished, click on Save and tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!